How do you make your money in the NFL in 2023? Prove you're a passer.
26 of 32 for about 350.
Yeah.
2 scores, no picks.
Yeah, but Mac is, I mean, I take that as a complaint. He's complaining that they're not running the ball enough. That's what it sounds like.
It's also, he doesn't have faith in his guys getting open.
And it sounds like he doesn't have faith in the receivers, doesn't have faith in his offensive line, and he's whining again is what he's doing. What are you doing in the production meeting telling the guys from NFL Network that we don't run the ball enough?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
You know how many targets your $33 million receiver, Juju Smith-Schuster, got? 2. 2 targets. DeMario Douglas got 9, caught 6. He's your number 1 receiver right now. That's it. A rookie is your number 1 receiver. That's it, with no other help, really. Like, what are you going to go to Hunter Henry? They try to get the ball to him? Nothing in the flat? They can't even play fake it and try and get it to the tight end in the flat? Those are simplistic plays. Those are drive starters. They didn't even run a screen. If they run a screen, they run it to Juju. None of it makes sense. Doesn't make sense right now. It's frustrating. Because I do like them, and I'm rooting for them, and I'm calling the games. But they are what they are. They're a bad team right now. A bad team.
Well, I'll tell you this, Mac Jones. When you got down into Indy territory on that first drive yesterday, it drove me a little nuts that they ran the ball 4 straight times before they went to throw on 3rd down and he took a sack.
Ball should have been gone. Clock. That one's on him. He had protection. When you're down in there tight, it's 1, 2, 3, boom, ball's got to be gone. You can't sit there, wait. Look at the 3rd read. Look at the 4th read. Look at the dump. No. And that's what Billy was screaming at. You had a guy underneath open and you have Ramondre in the flat open. Put it on him now. That's what he's pointing at. There he is. Put it on him. Mac's like, okay. For whatever reason, he's not grasping the coaching. Because Billy doesn't coach it that way. Billy doesn't coach it. Sit there, hold it, take sack. What happens? You end up missing field goal, right? On that was the one they missed the field goal, correct?
No, I'm talking about the opening drive when they did get the field goal.
No, they got the field goal there. Yeah, but which one was it? The third down where Ramondre he double shoveled it out with both hands to left.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I know what you're talking
that one. I'm talking about that one.
Yes. That was 3rd and 3 on that play when that happened.
Manageable 3rd down.
Yeah. Really smart. Great spot to try and do that.
You could actually run it twice there.
Hey, I'm glad he had his Buffalo drive. Let's hope we never see him start a game for the Patriots again. That's my hope today. If I'm taking silver linings out of yesterday, 1, the Pats are in this thing. They are in it for the top pick. They are a contender. Okay? The Patriots are contending for the number 1 overall pick in the NFL draft. And number 2, we're not going to see Mac Jones again. We don't have to watch that anymore.
You sure?
Yep. I'm feeling pretty good about that one.
I am too.
I'm feeling pretty good that we're not going to see that guy again. That he is going to the backup role, unless someone get hurt.
Yeah, I mean, he seemed pretty resigned to it too, post-game. Like, he was a little emotional. You could hear it cracking a little bit in his voice.
I thought I heard that too.
Yeah.
Thought he was starting to
my
lose
hardest.
a little bit.
I think he's at his wit's end. He's at his wit's end right now. And that's what it is. Like, defeated.
Well, it was the realization that, he's probably
Lost the team.
lost the
So to
team,
speak.
lost his job at least for this season or for the next handful of games, whatever.
Yeah.
And I'm sure we'll talk about this later on today, but the decision to pull him when they did, there were people second guessing that last night.
Oh, no.
No, I said it on the call.
No, it's great.
Well,
Love it.
what about Zappy? I'll just play devil's advocate here. Is it fair to Zappy to put him in that situation?
No.
I mean, fair. What's fair? I don't know.
I know what you're saying.
I'm sorry, but backup quarterbacks, no offense, though, don't get like the benefit of fairness. Their whole job is to be thrown into a game on 10 seconds notice. That's how it works.
As Greg Bedard said last night at the post game, I don't mean this in a mean way. I don't care. I don't care about putting Bailey Zappi in a bad position.
I don't either.
The backup.
It was more.
You had a shot. He got given a chance to go win a game.
It was
How
more
often
of a
does
message.
that happen?
It was more of a message to the number one guy.
Yeah, and it was about no ambiguity heading into the bye. You're not the starter anymore, Mac.
Right.
Sit down.
And if anything, I would say, as bad as Mac was, he did have that one drive that he did take over and go down and beat Buffalo, and you could make a case for it from a strategy or who's the best guy to do this standpoint, especially since Zappe doesn't get a chance to run 2-minute in practice, I don't think. Does he, so?
No,
Does the backup get a chance
I think he
to
gets
go
a couple reps on Friday. Yeah.
for the 2-minute
But I
drill?
go back to what I said 3 weeks ago. If you're going to do this and if you're going to go to the guy, be fair. Don't just go in for a quarter. Don't just go in for a game. Give him 3 weeks.
Now give him 3
Give him
weeks.
3 weeks.
Give him, and he's got the long ramp up period now with the bye week to get ready for the Giants or whoever it is.
Call the plays he likes. Yeah.
If it's him or if it's I don't know. Now, new quarterback competition starting today. I don't know I don't know who starts, but whoever it is, I hope they identify him early and give him a couple of weeks of prep, and then give him 3 weeks of starts after that. For what? I don't know. So we can
Bleeps
watch.
and giggles.
So we can watch something other than a 10-6
Right.
football game.
Something
because
different.
that's not a
You can't do
watchable
this anymore.
product.
You
Oh,
can't
no,
do
you
this
might get
anymore.
more 10-6 games, but at least it'll be something new to watch. It won't be the same thing
Right.
we've watched over and over and over again as Mac Jones makes the same mistakes over and over and over again. It's something new. And I think there will actually be a drop-off in play, too.
It's funny because
So
it's not a
you
busted.
can get ready for more losses. And if you take a look at that schedule, Zoe,
I'm not doing it. Not doing it right now.
they're not beating the Chargers.
bye week.
They're not beating the Steelers. They're not beating the Chiefs.
It might beat the Steelers.
They're not beating the Bills.
It might beat the
So the Giants coming out of the
Beat the
bye
Bills
with a new
before.
quarterback might be a spark. I really hope it isn't because I want them to contend now.
I got 4 wins.
I want them to get
Chiefs.
this thing.
Five.
I
I'm
want
at
them
five
in
right
the
there.
top
1, 2, 3, 4,
3.
5.
That's going to be tough when they win 4 of their next 5.
Yeah, now what are you going to do?
I like their chances.
I'm
Bring
rooting for
Zappe
Aaron
back.
Rodgers to be back on January 7th.
They can
Are
beat
you-
Aaron
yeah.
Rodgers. Win.
Break his other leg.
That's 5 now.
Are you really doing this?
It's not. It is. Listen,
7 and 10.
He's really
it's,
doing this.
it's possible
Yeah.
that they don't win another game.
No chance. Chance, maybe chance. Maybe a little bit of chance.
Oh, they won't lose to the Commanders and the Colts.
Soft spot of the schedule.
Loss. No touchdowns in Germany. Loss.
Unbelievable.
It's within reach, guys.
Critical game.
It's
Everyone
within
here,
reach.
the whole world watching.
Oh, critical game. We'll get to more on that critical game bullcrap
Egg
from over the
laid.
weekend.
Just a
Yeah.
big fat
A
egg.
big wet fart. That's what they did in Germany.
Better chance of 2 wins or 5 wins?
Come on. Stop it. Better chance of 3 wins or 0 wins?
5.
Nope.
I'm saying
what?
for this-
0
I'm
or
saying for
3.
this
They already
season.
have 2.
I'm
Is
saying
what
for this
he's
Oh, sorry. I'm saying the rest of the way.
Okay.
Better. Are they
Yeah.
closer to winning 0 games or 3 games?
Oh.
3.
Okay.
I got to hold out some hope. Can't do this forever. But we will call it like we see it. That's what we will do.
I don't love their chances of finishing 5 and 12. That sounds too good.
Yeah.
I think they're more like a 4 and 3.
They're taking a tackle.
Hardy, they're in it. They're in this thing.
They're in the tackles.
We're-
They're in
we-
for tackles.
Let's start. Listen, it's 10 games now. It's okay to feel like there's nothing here. You got to lose these games. And Christmas in
Oh
Denver
my God.
is
I'm
gonna
putting
be
on my
beautiful.
tree this week.
Christmas in Denver, that might be the gift that keeps on giving.
Son of a bitch. You said you weren't
Better
gonna
than the
say it.
Jelly of
You
the
said
Month
no,
Club.
No, no. You said
It's
you're not gonna do
it's
it.
the loss of the week
No.
club.
You said it's gotten mean now.
No, it's not about you.
Okay.
It's not about you. It's just about Christmas Eve. That present under the tree might be that they're sitting there
Well, I
with the
got a present
second
for
pick
you.
in the draft. It might be.
It's good. It's good.
The Patriots, on the whole, from top on down, have nobody to blame but themselves for being in this spot.
You're right.